Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of pineapples. The tropical delight loved all over the globe. With their spiky skin, juicy flesh, and sweet tangy taste, pineapples are more than just a fruit. Did you know? In many cultures, they're actually seen as a symbol of hospitality. Scientific name: Ananas comosus. Family: Bromeliaceae. Native to South America, especially Brazil and Paraguay. And today, they're widely grown in Costa Rica, the Philippines, and Thailand. Now, let's look at some popular types of pineapples. Queen pineapple. Small, very sweet and juicy. Red Spanish. Slightly tangy with a red hue. Variegated pineapple. With its beautiful striped leaves. Cayenne. Perfect for juicing and canning. And golden pineapple. Super sweet with a golden glow. Not only tasty, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Just 100 grams gives you 50 calories, vitamin C for immunity, fiber for digestion, and 86% water to keep you hydrated. That's why pineapples can boost your immunity, improve skin, aid weight loss, and even reduce inflammation. And here are some fun facts. Pineapples grow on the ground, not trees. The name came from their resemblance to a pine cone. And believe it or not, the world's largest pineapple weighed over 18 kilos. A pineapple plant takes nearly 18 to 24 months to fully grow, from flower to a small fruit, and finally a golden juicy delight ready to harvest. From fresh slices and juices, to cakes, barbecue grills, and even pizza toppings. Pineapples make every dish better. So remember, pineapples are more than just delicious. They're nutritious, refreshing, and a true gift from the tropics. Stay healthy and stay tropical.